Top 3 questions to ask yourself when you are lost in life. Number 1, what are my values? Values are your deeply held beliefs about what's important in life. Honesty, creativity, family, service, etc. Identify your core values provides a compass for decision making. Reflect on how your current life choices reflect these values. What brings me joy and fulfillment? This question focuses on identifying sources of intrinsic motivation. What truly energizes you? What makes you feel alive and engaged? These activities aren't necessarily career-related. They could be hobbies, social connections, acts of service, and a lot more. Number 3, what are my long-term goals and aspirations? Long-term aspirations provide a sense of direction. Consider your ideal future self. Where do you see yourself in 5, 10, or 20 years? Break down these aspirations into smaller, manageable steps.